Assalamualaikum. Good morning. How are you, my little kids? Hope you all are fit and fine. Dear students, today we will learn small letter O. First I will show you how to write small o. Then we will write small o in English notebook. Students, till now we have completed letters from A to N. Letters from A to N. So first we will revise these letters. Capital A, small a. A for X. Capital B, small b. B for bell. Capital C, small c. C for cake. Capital D, small d. D for drum. Capital E, small e. E for empty. empty का मतलब खाली. ये बॉक्स खाली है तो इसे empty कहेंगे. Capital F, small f. F for flower. Capital G, small g. G for goat. Capital H, small h. H for house. Capital I, small I. I for insect. Capital J, small j. J for jellyfish. Capital K, small k. K for kite. Capital L, small l. L for leaf. Capital M, small m. M for mat. Capital N, small n. N for needle. Students, after N which letter comes? After N, O. After N, O. See students, this is capital O and this is small o. Capital O, small o. Small o. Small o. O for ox. O for ox. Students, now come on, take out your English textbook. We will revise names of pictures starts with letter O from this textbook. So come on, take out English textbook part 1. Open page number 26. Page number 26. Capital O, small o. Capital O, small o. O for octopus. O for octopus. O for orange. O for orange. O for otter. O for otter. O for ostrich. O for ostrich. O for ox. O for ox. Students, in this whiteboard I will show you how to write small o. See students, this is capital O and this is small o. Capital O we have to write from red line to second blue line and small o we have to write in two blue lines. Small o दो blue line में लिखना है. See how to write small o. Students, in small o you have to make circle. स्मॉल ओ में सर्कल बनाना है. फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन से सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन तक ऐसे सर्कल बनाना है. स्मॉल ओ. स्मॉल ओ. Small o you have to write in two blue lines. And in small o what you have to do? You have to make circle. Small o. for octopus. Students, now we will write small o in English notebook. So students, come on, take out this notebook, my skill book, alphabet small. Open page number 43. Page number 43. Small o. O for ostrich. O for ostrich. Students, in small o you have to make circle. ऐसे circle बनाना है. O for ostrich. Students, capital O we have to write from red line to second blue line and small o we have to write in two blue lines. बच्चों, कैपिटल ओ रेड लाइन से सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन तक लिखना है और ये स्मॉल ओ है तो स्मॉल ओ दो ब्लू लाइन में लिखना है. स्मॉल ओ. कम ऑन स्टूडेंट्स, स्टार्ट ट्रेसिंग दिस स्मॉल ओ. स्मॉल ओ. स्मॉल ओ. इन स्मॉल ओ यू हैव टू मेक सर्कल. स्मॉल ओ में सर्कल बनाना है. You have to make circle in two blue lines. बच्चे से दो ब्लू लाइन में से सर्कल बनाना है. Small o. Small o. Small o. O for octopus. O for ostrich. O for owl. O for orange. Small o. Now we will write without tracing. Come on students. Speak and write. बोल बोल के लिखना है. O for ostrich. O for orange. O for octopus. O for otter. O for ox. O for owl. Students, small o you have to write in two blue lines. बच्चों, ऐसे दो ब्लू लाइन में स्मॉल o लिखना है. And speak and write. What you have to do? You have to make circle. ऐसे सर्कल करना है. देखो बच्चों, ऐसे सर्कल बनाना है. स्मॉल o. Small o. O for octopus. O for owl. O for ostrich. O for ox. O for orange. O for otter. Small o. Small o. So students, like this you have to write small o on page number 43. Now we will write on page number 44. First we have to trace this small o. So come on, trace this small o. Small o. Small o. Students, small o you have to write in two blue lines. बच्चों, ये दो ब्लू लाइन में स्मॉल o लिखना है. You have to make circle. Small o. Small o. O for octopus. O for owl. O for ostrich. O for ox. O for orange. O for otter. Small o. Small o. Small o. Small o. So students, like this you have to write small o on both the pages. On page number 43 and on page number 44. Students, write with neat and clean handwriting. And you have to write small o in two blue lines. बच्चों, बराबर ये दो ब्लू लाइन में स्मॉल o बनाना है. Speak and write. अच्छे राइटिंग से लिखना है और बोल बोल के लिखना है. स्मॉल o. small o. O for ostrich, O for octopus, O for orange, O for otter, O for ox, O for owl. Small o. Thank you. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.